back to the Stardust channel. I'm Stacey, the street dance teacher from Stardust. I'm going to show you the dance that I've taught to the What's My Name song from Descendants 2. You can watch the tutorial on the link below. Let's get started.
What's it? Say it now. All eyes on me, let me see 'em. What's it? Say it. I'm the queen of this town. I call the shots, you know who I am. I don't need to wear no fake crown. Stand up to me, you don't stand a chance. It's our time, we are next. My crew's as real as it gets. The worst are now the best. And leaving us here will be the last regret. What's my name? What's my name? Say it louder. What's my name? What's my name?
Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to learn the dance, just click on the link below. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and like and subscribe if you'd like to see more dance videos.
Say it.
You know what they say, bad girls have all the fun. Never learned how to count cause I'm number one.